Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. I'm on an epoxy injection project here. I'll be making quite a bit of videos. Hopefully it'll help show this process, and it's kind of an elusive process. I've been doing these injection projects for over 25 years. Typically something like this, I'm going to come along, I'm going to locate all these hairlines. We're going to go down the line, make sure that all the cracks that we're doing, we don't hear any hollow spots. I already came across here once. I got down to here and this was covered up, and I felt a little hollow spot here, so once I was able to chip this piece up here, I could see it's where they had shot on product here on the wall before. If you don't find all those hollow spots and get them sealed up when you're doing your epoxy injection, it's just going to pour right out of the wall. So we got to go along and find all these little honeycombs, any little voids, get them all cleaned up like this. Get it to the, expose that crack we got right there. Got quite a few of these to do. As I go along, I'll take a bunch more videos and I'll post this on my website. See if I can't find some hollow spots and chip them away. Give you an idea how this process is done. There's another little spot right there. Again, we're just looking for spots where epoxy could leak out. So we just want to make sure we get those all cleaned up and sealed before we start our injection. Jade Alpine, epoxy project. Keep you guys posted. You can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects on my website, my YouTube channel. Check it out today, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on that YouTube link and follow this project. Thanks for watching Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next one.